if you're a Chinese beginner, you need to watch this video and you will be like, oh my god, I'm making this kind of mistakes all the time. Hello, welcome back to 说说 Chinese, 说说中文. I'm Shuo. I'm a native Chinese speaking teacher living in Bangkok, Thailand, and I've been teaching Chinese for 7 years. I'm pretty sure that I can help you improve your Chinese level. So subscribe my channel right now. You can click the thumbs up button whenever you feel this video is helpful. Today we're going to talk about 6 common mistakes that 90% of the Chinese beginner will make. If you're a Chinese beginner, you need to watch this video and you will be like, oh my god, I'm making this kind of mistakes all the time. I'm going to start each mistake with a sentence or a phrase, and your challenge is to correct them. Tell me in the comment how many you've got them correctly. Are you ready? Let's get it started. The first sentence, 我去工作在公司. Feel free to pause this video if you need some time to think. There is a very important rule of Chinese sentence structure. If you figured it out, you can prevent 80% of the mistakes, no matter you're a Chinese beginner, intermediate, or advanced learner. In Chinese, we tend to put the main action, the core part, at the end of the sentence. And the other parts that are giving additional information or modify the main action, we put them before the action. What does that mean? In this case, 工作, to work, is the main action, while 公司 is the place that this action takes place at. So remember, we need to say 公司 first, and then followed by 工作. The correct sentence should be 我去公司工作. 我去公司工作. Also, there's 2 sentences. The first one, 我吃饭和朋友. 吃饭, the main action. 朋友, it gives more information about the action, about how will you do this action. That's why we have to put 朋友 before 吃饭. You need to say 我和朋友吃饭. Next one, 我起床7点. 起床 is the main action. 7点 tells us about the time. So we have to say the time before the main action. It should be 我7点起床. Number 2. 一个天. There are some words in Chinese that you cannot use a measure word with. 天 is one of them, and the others are 年, year, 分钟, minute, 周, another way to say week, apart from 星期, 次, the measure word of time, like 1 time, 2 times. So you cannot say 一个天, 一个年, 一个分钟, 一个次. You need to say 一天, 一年, 一分钟, and 一次. If you're still confused about measure word, you can click here to watch this video of mine. I explained how to use measure word properly in detail. Number 3. 我喜欢鸡肉. If you want to say you like a certain kind of food, in Chinese, you need to say 我喜欢吃 something. 我喜欢吃巧克力. 我喜欢吃饺子. 我喜欢吃鸡肉. Don't say 我喜欢鸡肉 unless you have a favorable attitude or fetish towards 鸡肉. Number 4. 你是漂亮 or 你是很漂亮. If an adjective acts as the main part of the sentence, the sentence structure is subject plus adjective. We also like to add an adverb of degree like very, a bit, especially before the adjectives. So you are very beautiful or you are beautiful in Chinese should be you, no R. Very beautiful. 你很漂亮。你很漂亮。I'm so happy. In Chinese should be I, no am. So happy. 我很高兴。我很高兴。Number 5. 我想吃汉堡还是三明治。你呢？ I want to have hamburger or sandwich. What about you? There are 2 ors in Chinese. The first or is 还是 and we use it in a question. For example, 你想喝咖啡还是茶？ Would you like coffee or tea? 你想喝咖啡还是茶？你喜欢我还是他？ Do you like me or her? 你喜欢我还是他？ Another or is 或者 and we use it in a statement. Like 明天我要去超市，或者在家。I will go to the supermarket or stay at home tomorrow. 如果你觉得无聊，或者你想我了，你就给我打电话。If you feel bored or you miss me, you can call me. 如果你觉得无聊，或者你想我了，你可以给我打电话。So the correct sentence of number 5 should be 我想吃汉堡或者三明治。你呢？ I want to have hamburger or sandwich. What about you? Number 6. 这是我的最喜欢电影。This is my favorite movie. Sounds so fine, no mistake. But actually, in Chinese, we will say 这是我最喜欢的电影。这是我最喜欢的电影。这是 this is 我最喜欢 is the descriptive part. We will come back to see it later. 的 sort of a that. 电影 movie. This is the movie that I like the most. This is the movie that I like the most. 这是我最喜欢的电影。And likewise, if you want to say, this is my favorite restaurant, my favorite food is blah blah, you have to say, 这是我最喜欢的饭店。这是我最喜欢的饭店。我最喜欢的菜是中国菜。我最喜欢的菜是中国菜。Alright, so these are all the content of today. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe my channel, turn on the notification bell. I will upload more interesting and useful video about Chinese language and Chinese culture every week. I'm Shuo from Shuo Shuo Zhongwen and I will see you in my next video. 再见。